Everyone, and welcome back to Night Combos, or welcome to Night Combos. Real quick, I just want to say thank you so very much to all of our subscribers that's been with us from the beginning all the way to now. All of our new subscribers, all of you, thank you so very much. Thank you for the super thanks that we just got. We just got 2 more super thanks. Thank you all so very much for that. Hubby and I just posted a video, and then I just came across this when Hubby went downstairs. So Hubby is here, but he's just not upstairs at the moment. And I just now came across this and wanted to show y'all this update on the Menendez brothers case. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, share, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos, and we would greatly appreciate it so much. Okay, so I came across this by ABC News 7. Menendez brothers court hearing set for Monday, seats to be distributed to the public by lottery. And it shows their picture here. I'm going to play this clip for y'all in just a second. Under this clip, it says, a hearing is scheduled to be held Monday in the case of Lyle and Eric Menendez, and 16 seats in the courtroom will be made available to the public via a lottery system. Okay, here's that clip.
Los Angeles County Superior Court announced there will be a lottery for the public to get seats inside a hearing for the Menendez brothers. The lottery will take place Monday morning outside of the Van Nuys Courthouse with 16 seats up for grabs. The hearing involves the Menendez brothers' claims that there is new evidence in the 1989 murder of their parents. It is a status hearing, which means there will likely not be anything consequential as far as a ruling or testimony.
Okay, then the article goes on to say, Van Nuys, Los Angeles. A hearing is scheduled to be held Monday in the case of Lyle and Eric Menendez, who unalived their parents in their Beverly Hills home in 1989, and 16 seats in the Los Angeles courtroom will individually be made available to the public via a lottery system, officials said. The status hearing is set for 10:30 a.m. at the Van Nuys Courthouse, and it gives the address, with Judge Michael Chesick. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Presiding, according to a Thursday news release. The LA County Superior Court will conduct a lottery for the public seats from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Signage designated the section for the lottery will be displayed, and the tickets will be handed out from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So I don't think the public will have to pay for the seats. I think it may just be that they'll hand out tickets to like the first 16 people in line or something like that, maybe. I'm not exactly sure on that. I'd have to look that up. But anyway, they're gonna hand out tickets will be handed out from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Quote, all approvals for courtroom seating for the media have been distributed by the court's communications office, end quote, the statement said. No further requests for courtroom media seating will be accepted. Lottery winners will be issued badges which must be worn at all times in the courthouse, and the tickets are non-transferable, officials said. So people won't be able to get tickets and then hand them out to other people, or, go in the courtroom for half of the hearing and then hand their ticket off to someone else and someone else go in for the last half of the hearing, because people would do stuff like that in a case like this to, so that more people can get more coverage on it, stuff like that. So they're non-transferable. They'll have to wear their badges at all times and probably show ID to get into their seat. And then it has this clip here, which up under it says, Newsom says clemency decision for Menendez brothers will wait until new DA reviews case. So I'm going to play this clip here.
Breaking news in the Menendez brothers case. Governor Newsom has just released a statement saying he will wait to see what the district attorney-elect will do. The governor says that he will defer to Nathan Hochman's review and analysis of the case prior to making any clemency decisions. Last month, current DA George Gascon recommended resentencing for the brothers who killed their parents back in 1989 in Beverly Hills. Hochman has said that he has a lot of evidence to review before showing his support.
That was the end of the clip. It got cut off somehow, but she was saying before showing his support is what she was ending with. And then it says, no photography, video, or recording is allowed in any courtroom or courthouse, hallway, or lobby. So they're being pretty serious about this. The Menendez brothers were originally sentenced in 1996 to life in prison without the possibility of parole. Lyle Menendez, then 21, and Eric Menendez, then 18, admitted they fatally poo-pooed their entertainment executive father, Jose Menendez, and their mother, Kitty Menendez. They were tried twice for their parents' unaliving, with the first trial ending in a hung jury. The brothers said they feared their parents were about to unalive them to prevent the disclosure of the father's longtime essaying of Eric Menendez. Their father essayed Eric Menendez. Prosecutors argued that they unalived their parents for financial gain and contended that no such abuse occurred. It goes on to say the brothers' extended family has pleaded for their release. Several family members have said that in today's world, which is more aware of the impact of SA, the brothers would not have been convicted of first-degree murder and sentenced to life without parole. And here's this clip. And up under it, it says, next LA County District Attorney wants to review Menendez brothers' case. And then here's this clip.
The Menendez brothers, LA's newly elected district attorney, weighed in on their case, spoke with Kana Whitworth, who joins us from Los Angeles. Good morning, Kana.
Yeah, George, good morning to you. So as Nathan Hochman prepares to take over as district attorney on December 2nd, he says for him to make any kind of decision, he would need to read through both trial transcripts, prison records, and re-interview law enforcement and family members.
You really got to get beyond the Netflix documentary.
As calls to free Eric and Lyle Menendez grow louder with promises the pair would be home by Thanksgiving, newly elected Los Angeles District Attorney Nathan Hochman says if the infamous case lands on his desk, he would have a lot to review before making a decision.
If you decide this case based on just reviewing a Netflix documentary, you're doing a disservice to the Menendez brothers, to the victim family members, to the public.
The former federal prosecutor unseated incumbent George Gascon in a landslide and questions the motivation of Gascon's decision so close to the election.
Part of the problem with the Gascon timing of his decision is there's a cloud over that credibility. Is it a just decision, or was it just a political ploy? There will be no cloud over whatever decision I do.
Gascon denies his support for the brothers' release was politically motivated.
But I believe that they should be released, and they should be released cleanly within the law.
The brothers have spent 35 years in prison for the 1989 murder of their parents, sentenced to life without parole.
I, Joseph Lyle Menendez, am destined for greatness.
The recent Netflix drama series and separate documentary propelling the case into the spotlight again.
Young people have taken the time to figure out what happened.
A new generation taking to social media to rally around the brothers, citing their claims of sexual abuse. And while a judge reviews the case, Hochman promising diligence.
And I'm not going to ask for delay just for delay's sake. We'll ask for the minimal amount of time necessary to do this work because we owe it to the Menendez brothers, we owe it to the public to get this decision right.
And so right now, a judge is weighing the alleged new evidence, and a hearing is set for that later this month, as well as a December hearing for the possibility of resentencing. But also, if he wanted to, the governor could grant clemency at any time.
Yep.
Michael?
All right, Kanan, thank you.
Okay, so let us know what y'all think about what the new DA just said in that clip that I just played. Let us know what y'all think below about the new DA's statement. Let us know y'all's thoughts and opinions and comments down below on that. And we'll be conversating with as many of y'all as we can, like always. But the article goes on to say their attorney first filed a petition for their case to be re-examined in May of 2023. Earlier this week, Governor Gavin Newsom said he won't make a clemency decision on the Schmurder convictions until newly elected LA County District Attorney Nathan Hochman, who you just heard from, reviews the nearly 35-year-old case. So again, this is a picture of the brothers when they first went to court, back when they were younger and everything, back when they were first being charged, and what they look like now. But again, let us know y'all's thoughts and comments down below, and we'll be down there conversating with y'all. We greatly appreciate y'all watching. We hope y'all enjoyed this video as well as the previous one that hubby was in and gave his thoughts on. But again, he's downstairs, so we couldn't get his thoughts on this one. He'll be in the next one. We hope y'all enjoyed. Again, if you're not already subscribed, please make sure you subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos, share, all of the things, and we would truly greatly appreciate it so much. And we hope you have a good night, and God bless. Bye.